Okay, now that you became familiar with density gradients, we can do pretty much similar thing with the thickness. So for that, I will click on this button again, and I go back to my own view. So I should pick thickness, density, cavity, or anything else. I'm gonna pick thickness here and put my points on, let's say, here. So this area more or less would be fine for me, and also this other area here. Okay, so well, in the 3D view, I can see that this 0.4 is not really well placed for me. I want to move it. I'm going to change it to here, to the other corner, exactly as the other ones. So what I want to do is that where it is 15% density, I'm going to click on this text dot and thickness. I'm going to increase the thickness to 0.6, enter. And where it is 35, I'm going to decrease the thickness. So I'm going to make it 0.2, enter. Okay. So in this case, we will also get a thickness gradient. Click on compute. I will not change anything else. There we go. The compute will start now. SDK popped up and the calculation is over. Okay. So let's have a look at the last part. So this was the, I can give it bigger. So this was the previous part, and now this one is the new part. You can see here the structure and volcanoes are much thicker than what we can see here. We picked 0.2 for this one, right? And that's what we are seeing. For a better view, we can click on this button here in the right side. And now I'm gonna turn off these and these points. So I'm going to turn off the single surface also, the warnings, and only keep the solid surface for a better view. Here I can see clearly how my structure looks like.